Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2012 C300 4Matic. The 4Matic is all-wheel drive. This is a V6 engine. This is the Sport model. Gives you different grille and bumpers, wheels. The rocker covers are different. Rear bumper, much more aggressive looking. This is 2012, which they made some changes in 2012. The lights are different, as well as the bumpers. The rear lights are LED, full LED lights, and the rear bumpers, they gave it a sportier look. On the inside, they gave it some more drastic changes. The dash is totally different. Very nice styling on the steering wheel and the center console and controls. This is equipped with power front heated seats. Wood grain trim. Is a power moonroof. Steering wheel controls.